Hello, welcome to my channel. Get ready to impress your family with this easy to make and incredibly tasty recipe. I'm going to show you a simple version of Kobete Pie from the Crimean Tatar people. The main ingredients of the Kobete are finely chopped meat, potatoes and onions. The beauty of this pie is that by making delicious puff pastry, you can put absolutely any meat, pork, lamb, chicken. Don't worry, it's really simple. You will need 500 grams of meat, I'm using chicken, 2 medium onions and 3 medium potatoes, and of course a good amount of salt and pepper and some water. For our pastry, we are using a fantastic shortcut, store-bought puff pastry. You will need 2 sheets or about 500 grams. Just thaw your puff pastry according to the package direction. You want it to be pliable but still cold. Grab a sharp knife and finely chop all your ingredients into small cubes. In a large bowl, combine your chopped meat, potatoes and onions. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper. Give everything a really good mix. And just like that, our filling is ready. Lightly flour your work surface and take out one piece of puff pastry. Gently roll it out so it's big enough to line your baking dish and hang over the sides a little bit. Carefully settle the pastry into your greased dish. Make sure that the edges are sealed. To finish, cut a small hole about the size of a coin right in the center. Gently pour about a third of a cup of salted water right into that hole in the center. As it continues to bake, the filling will soak up all that broth, making it unbelievably moist and flavorful. This little chimney is one of the secrets to a perfectly juicy pie. Brush the top of the pie with a beaten egg for a beautiful shining golden crust. Now pop it into a preheated oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it for about 40-45 minutes. After those 40 minutes, carefully take the pie out of the oven. Check if the potatoes are cooked. It's not ready yet, and I'm gonna cover with the foil and return the pie to the oven and bake for another 10-20 minutes until the filling is fully cooked. Let the pie rest for a few minutes before slicing. This gives the juices a chance to settle back into the filling. The meat is perfectly tender, the potatoes are creamy, and the onions have melted down into this rich, savory gravy that brings everything together. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching and bon appetit!